Hello everyone, welcome to my second video. This is part 2, and last time in part 1, this is part 1, we talked about number in Mandarin from 1 to 7, from 1 to 7. So if you missed that, you can go back to my part 1 video. And today, part 2, we are continue talk about the number from 8. Hopefully we'll go to beyond 10. And the basically rule of writing Chinese character, I didn't mention in my first video, I'll talk about it right now. It's from left to right, top to down. So always remember the basic rule of writing the Chinese character. And this time I also attached the printed version, which is here, of writing the number from 1 to 10, from 1 to 10. So help you to recognize those numbers in Mandarin in printed version, not only my handwriting. So let's start learning. Next number, 8. So number 8 pronounced as 8. So again, I'll use the top bar to write my pinyin, which is help you to pronounce the Chinese character 8. That's a flat tone. And remember, we imagined those 4 cubes as the Chinese character back grade. We write from left, which is here, to top to down. And then next stroke. And then that's it. That is 8. We go to next number 9. 9. 9. 鸡 you 9. That's dipping tone, the third tone. So we met this letter the second time. Remember? Last time we met it in Liu. It's here. So it's the same, and we use the letter V on the keyboard to type it. 9, number 9. 10. 10. 10. That's the rising tone, the second tone. It's like a cross, very easy. And that is 10. So here we go. We have learned all the 10 numbers. Again, practice makes perfect. Let's read all of them again from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after 10 numbers, we are going to 11. 11 in English is only one word, and it's a separate, different word everyone needs to remember. But in Chinese, 11 is relatively easier, logical easier. It's 11. So you probably know that from the pronunciation that I just gave to you, 11 is just a combination of a 10 and 1, which makes sense, isn't it? 10 plus 1, that is 11. That is 11. I'll write again here, 11. So the pinyin you already know, because you can go back to check here. 11, that is 11. Some students told me it's like the way of French way saying that. 11. So continue, we will have 12. That's 12. So again, pronunciation, you can always go back to check here. And as it go on, 13. I'll try to write small numbers to fit in the whole page. 13. That is 13. So next one, you're probably quicker than me now. 14. 14. Next one. 15. 15. Let's keep going. 16. 16. Next one. 17. 17. Hopefully we'll have more space here. 18. 18. 19. 19. Here we go. How to say 20? Well, 20 is 210, isn't it? So we have 20, that is 20. So if you learn French or you're French, probably it's the same logics. How to say 21? 21. 21. And you can just keep going. 22, 22. 23, 23. So just keep going and going until you have how to say 99. 99. 99. Here we go. You can say the number before 100. Hopefully this is helpful. Any comments, please leave it down below. Thank you for your attention. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.